Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy S for James again, and I'm back with another unboxing. This one is with Tshya. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. These guys sent me some sanding material. So we're going to get to the full unboxing. So it's Tshya. I pronounced his name horribly. But they have quick change disc, and they gave me a 270-piece setup for it. As you can see, they gave me grinding, blending, finishing, polishing from 36 to 60 to 80 grits, all the way up to 3,000 grits as well. Let's put that upside down. It says comfortable and resist loading, stiffer and more durable. So let's get into it. Let's see what they gave me. These are the blue ones. This is for grinding. Okay. Now the 80s are 80 grits. 80 grits. 36. What is that one? That's another 36 as well. Little pads. Nice quality. This as well. So basically, these guys have a bunch of change of discs, and if you go on their shop, they have a 270 pack, which is this one, and then they have another pack that's like a 36 pack. I recommend as well. What's that? This is like a little soft brush, a little soft sanded down, like a little wool. Actually, does it have anything else on it? No. Like a polisher. It's pretty nice. These look like the attachments that can go on your drill. A roll lock sanding pad, 2-inch. What is that? 15,000 RPM. Sheesh. What else we got? This looks like it's part of the disc. Let's see. They give a lot. This is a lot. This 270 pack. Shout out to these guys, man. They definitely gave me a ton. Next video, we're definitely going to go over using this and just show you what applications you can use it for. But yeah, let's see. I'm almost done. It just keeps on. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Yeah, that's all of them, and that's the different grits too. I tell you what everything is right here as well. What they give you. All right, guys, that was just a quick unboxing of everything. That was a quick unboxing. In the next video, we're going to get into actually using one of these for applications on a vehicle. So I got you guys on the next video.